Well, hey, welcome back. Since we started this whole e-learning adventure with me basically cooking a pizza, I thought we should just end it with me cooking with a pizza. Let's chat. Hey Google, set the timer for 18 minutes.
18 minutes, starting now.
Well, this is almost it. The second to last day. Friday's your last e-learning lesson. You sad? More like tears of joy, right? Hey Google, tell me a joke.
What do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear.
Clever. But first, we still have today, and I have my final guest to show you. And he's a relative of mine. He also lives in New York City, just like Kenzie does, and is in the film industry as well. So take a look.
Hello from New York City. Here, maybe if I take this off, you can hear me better. Hello, everybody from New York City. My name is Mr. Boone. Different than the Mr. Boone that you know. I'm the one that lives in New York. I'm one of his cousins. I'm just out for a bike ride in one of my favorite spots. I currently am in Brooklyn, which is one of the 5 boroughs of New York, and right out there is Manhattan. That's the place that you mostly see in movies and television. And right up there is the Freedom Tower. If you can see, really, really tall, really pointy. And if you look down this way, you get the Brooklyn Bridge. And I think right past that, you'd see the Empire State Building. So a lot of fun. It's a beautiful day today. Everyone's trying to get out, trying to enjoy the weather, trying to be safe, wear their masks, but they're also being really creative. I had a friend make me this mask, and it's one of my favorites. Anyways, I'm hoping you guys are well. I'm hoping this school year is ending well and that Mr. Boone is being a good teacher to you. I know he's an awesome teacher. Anyways, I just want to show you this spot. Maybe I'll keep biking around. Maybe I'll send in some other videos because I've seen that Mr. Boone has done a lot of videos for you guys, and I'm just trying to help him out. Anyways, hope you're doing well. Great to see ya. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.
Hey, that's awesome, Cameron. Thanks for showing us a little bit of where you live and what life is like for you up there in New York. Stay safe and healthy, and can't wait to see you soon. Well, I think that about wraps things up. Oh yeah, today we're watching the cartoon version of Rikki Tikki Tavi. I think you'll enjoy it. Oh yeah, and don't forget that tomorrow is still an e-learning day, so make sure you tune in. And make sure you have a good Thursday.